Till now we have seen a little bit about pattern matching inside Elixir, and we have been using our terminal, but we can do a much better job. And allow me to introduce to you Livebook. So Livebook is actually like the Jupyter notebooks for Elixir. But before I can show you Livebook, you must have noticed that I have a different prompt and I have a couple of more colors inside my terminal. And this is because I'm using a little bit more fancier setup, but that's about it. Now let me go to Livebook. So here it is. You can simply navigate to this website livebook.dev, and from here we can simply install Livebook on our machine. So just click on install, and from here you can choose your Mac or Windows and download the setup. And after you have downloaded the setup, just install it as you would install any other program in your machine. Now I have already installed Livebook, so let me just open it up. Here it is. So this is how it is. We can start a new notebook. We can simply click over here, new notebook, and that's it. We are good to go. Let us try the same code that we wrote inside our terminal. So here I can say is my a comma a equal to my 1 comma 1, and simply you can click over here, evaluate, and now we have the output right over here. Let us try with some other examples. So here I can say if my a is equal to 1, then is my 1 equal to a, and let us try to evaluate this cell, and yes, we get the output. Now what I have done, just for a reference, I have also included a couple of notebooks, and you can find all of those right over here. So this is the GitHub repo for this entire tutorial series, which is Octallium / it's right over here. You can go to Octallium and / functional programming with Elixir, and inside notebooks you can see that I have a couple of notebooks. Now in the future I may add a couple of more notebooks to this one, but at the time of recording we have 3 of those. So let us see how we can open these notebooks inside our Livebook. So let me go back to my Livebook, and let me just click on this icon on the left, and here I simply have to choose my path. So I have to go inside my GitHub, Octallium, functional programming with Elixir, notebooks, and let me choose the first one, and let me simply click on open. So this is the first Livebook that you can find inside the repository, and as you can see I have included a couple of text and also a couple of code blocks for your reference. So this is what we were trying to do last time. And if you see right over here, I have created some more examples. So if my name is equal to Octallium, then my Octallium should also be equal to name, and so on. So what you can do, maybe you can try to create a couple of more notebooks, and you can try to open up the notebooks which I have included inside the repo, and I will catch you in the next video.